our 24 by 28 equipment stand. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 24 inches. The depth of 28 inches. Overall height, 25 inches tall. Coming to the center, on the bottom, you have a separate shelf for storage. And the measurement for the bottom shelf will be 17¼ inches in length by 20¼ inches in depth. And a height of 9½ inches. Table is NSF approved. And this equipment stand can hold weight for any of the units that we sell. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.